Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today we're going to be doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing for the month of February. This is $23, something like that, dollars a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products. You get to pick a product every month, which I think is exciting because then you get like the surprise of here's some items you don't know are coming, but you also get like something you know you're gonna like. So I think that's cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. I have already broken the seal as per usual. So opening it up, it says discover yourself, and then you get some orange foam, and here are the products. So the card says feel the love, so that's the theme of this month. And it says, will you be our Valentine? Hey you, wow, you look great, blah, blah, blah. Okay, there's no other card in here. Okay, I'm getting a little bit annoyed because my BoxyCharm, my regular size, if you guys haven't seen that yet, it was up yesterday, also didn't get a card this month, so a little salty, not gonna lie. Okay, so let's show the bag first, just because that's the least exciting part of the thing. It is like a lilac-y, pinky purple with a purple zipper, and it's already unzipped. And then on the inside it says Ipsy, so it's cute. I have entirely too many makeup bags because of Ipsy, so I definitely need to like tone it down. The other thing I'm going to show you is something I redeemed my points for. This did not come in my box, but I did redeem points for it, so thought I might as well show it to you guys because it's exciting, I think. So this is the Ofra Madison Miller highlighter in the shade Moondance. Ofra makes some bomb highlights, and Madison Miller is a bomb YouTuber, so thought we would try that. Ooh, pretty. Okay, yeah, definitely down for that. So there is that. Next thing is this. What are you? Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. It is vegan and cruelty-free and natural world. I don't know what that means. I'm assuming it means it's only natural products. If I had a card that told you prices, that would be great. I will leave everything listed down below, of course, but okay. Use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply thin layer onto clean, dry skin in the evening. Allow the mask to sink into the skin and leave overnight. Cleanse as normal the following morning. So that's cool that you can leave it on overnight. I'm very lazy when it comes to masks you have to wash off, so something I can leave on overnight is cool. I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything. Weird, okay. So I'm assuming it's supposed to smell like pomegranate, but I don't smell anything, so. Moving on to Il Makiage. Have I ever tried anything from Il Makiage? I don't think so. Are they cruelty free? 90% sure they're cruelty free, but this is ink liner in the shade Black. So I'm assuming it's just a liquid liner. It is just a liquid liner, okay. Ooh, that's real black though. Okay, yeah, I can get a pretty good line out of that, I think. I will definitely try this out. I'm not like super stoked to get a liner just because I don't line my eyes as much as I probably should, because I do like the way it looks, but that's cool. I will definitely try it out, so maybe I'll fall in love, you never know. Murad Environmental Shield. This is the Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Brightens and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. So that's cool. Yeah, it's a vitamin C SPF moisturizer. And Murad is pretty pricey if I'm not mistaken, so that's exciting. I do think this is a full size. I could be wrong, but I don't have a card to tell me, so, you know. I'm annoyed. Okay, so that's a weird tube. Ugh, yeah, it smells like SPF. I don't wear SPF as much as I should, but I also don't go outside, so I hate that smell, but it feels very moisturizing, so I will definitely put it to good use. And if I'm ever like actually going somewhere, I will definitely use this because I always need moisturizer, and what is it? SPF is always a good idea too. Okay, 2 more things. Next one is a lip color, Atura Matte, Belle and Argent, I don't know, Argan. I've got one of these before. This is in the shade 3 Plays. I still haven't used it. It's a red shade that I have, so I'm like, I'm not gonna really wear. I love red lips, but when I want a red lip, I want like a liquid matte lipstick, not a lipstick. But these are so pretty. I love, love, love the packaging. Let's see. Definitely more of a wearable shade. Okay. Oh yeah. I will definitely wear that one. So we'll definitely try this one out. So, so pretty though. The packaging is so stunning. This might be one of my favorite packaging wise. So the last thing is the product I picked, and that is this. This is by Dominique Cosmetics. This is the, I just had that upside down. This is the sweater palette, I think is what it's called. Right? Yes? I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's just called the sweater palette. But the unicorn looks like a sweater. Pull out the palette, it also looks like a sweater, but it's textured, so that's exciting. I like the way this feels. Okay, Dominique is a YouTuber, and you guys, if you've never seen any of my videos, my favorite thing makeup wise is like collaborations with YouTubers. This is her actual brand, but I don't know, I just think it's really cool to see them go from like making videos to having like a full-blown brand or a collab or something like that. Pretty shades. It's a very small palette, so it's simple, but it's got like all mattes, and it's got like a couple looks you could get out of here for sure, or you can combine it with another palette. I will definitely be testing this out. Dominique Cosmetics is one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas though, so I know I'm gonna like it. Okay, quick recap. The palette I'm excited for, obviously, because I picked it, so that's an exciting moment. The Murad cream, I'm like okay with. Like, it's not something that I'm like, yes, I'm stoked to try this, because I don't really like SPF. But I need it, so that's good. But I mean, I'll use it, so I'm not mad at it, but I'm not like, yes, so excited. The sleeping mask, I'm also like, sure. I have so many masks that I don't use now, so I don't really need another one, but I will try it. I will try it out probably several months from now. The lipstick I am very excited for, because I wanted to try this out, but I've just not been like at a point in my life where I wanted a red lip, I guess. I pretty much go to work and go home, so I've never had like the desire to wear a red lipstick here recently, but I will definitely try this color out. The eyeliner is also a product that I'm not like dying over, but I'm like, okay, yeah, I'll try it. And I'm excited to try Il Makiage. I've never tried them. And then the highlighter I'm super pumped for, but that doesn't really count. So, is that everything? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's everything. And the bag, of course, but I don't need another bag. I literally took so many bags to work with me the other day and just pawned them off on everyone. I was like, you need a bag. You need a bag. Here you go. I was even trying to get like the guys. None of them wear makeup or anything like that, but I was trying to get them like, you could use this as a pencil bag. Just take it. So I don't need any more. But yeah, that's everything I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.